What's up, guys? Jeremy here from Jeremy Evans Crypto. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be discussing all of the resources and tools that you can use to your advantage in this crazy crypto market that we all love. If you like this content, please do me a favor, like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications, do all those good things, and let's get into it. All right, guys, we're going to get right into it with CoinMarketCap. This is one of the most crucial websites that I use on a daily basis. You can track your portfolio. You can look at different exchanges. You can check out NFTs. It has all your cryptocurrencies ranked, shows you what's trending, what the biggest gainers are, what's recently added, and then it goes through all the different cryptocurrencies ranked by market cap. So here you have the market cap. Obviously, the highest market cap is going to be Bitcoin. It shows you the percentages in which it's gone up or down over certain periods of time based on the way you set it up, and it also shows the current market price. Any one of these, if you go through them and you click on them, it will also take you to that page specifically. It'll show you the charts. It'll show you 7-day chart, 1-month chart, year-to-date, all-time chart. It'll show you everything that you need to know about that market, historical data, project info, all of that good stuff. Up here at the top, it's going to give you more resources where you can go directly to the website for Solana in this case, or if you go back to CoinMarketCap, you can go to the white paper, which will give you all of the crazy details, the legal details that you can dive into if you're feeling if you're feeling up to it. So there's a lot of information in the white papers. That's really something that you should research on each of the coins that you have, but it is highly technical, and sometimes when you read it, it just doesn't make any sense. All right, so that's what we got with CoinMarketCap. I love CoinMarketCap. I use it to track my portfolio. I look at it to see what's trending, what's going on in the crypto world, and I like to use it also as you can create a portfolio where you can put information in there as if you were, even though you don't have to invest real money, and you can track to see your progress. So for a beginner, it's a great way to add things to your portfolio and watch it over a period of time to see how those things grow or how they go up and down, the volatility of each of them, and track what would have happened had you invested that money. So I do love CoinMarketCap. I use it daily. Okay, moving on from there, we're going to go into some websites that I like to use just to do research. We've got websites like Cointelegraph, we've got CoinDesk, we've got Cryptos R Us, excuse me for that pop-up. We've got Bitcoin Magazine. We've got all of these websites are great resources for market news, price indexes, market analysis, gives you all the up-to-date stuff. Cointelegraph will give you actually explained in detail what Bitcoin is, what Ethereum is, what Dogecoin or various things are. It really breaks it down and gives it to you in simple terms and lets you do your own research so that you don't have to rely on people like me for your investing strategies. So they also have various different services and videos, etc. So be sure to check out each one of those. CoinDesk does the same thing. It's got all the current latest news and all the news from the past that you can go back so you can look at different trends. Cryptos R Us is George. He's fantastic. He's got his own YouTube channel. Love to watch that. If you guys are interested in Cryptos R Us, be sure to check him out on YouTube as well. But this website gives you all kinds of information on altcoins, gives you news stories, gives you guides. Here it talks about mining if you want to know about crypto mining. All the kinds of things that you would need. Check out this website as well. Very good. All right, so Bitcoin Magazine, again, latest news and articles. It's a go-to for any kind of research that you want to do. Okay, moving from there, there are also some other basics that you definitely want to get involved in. You kind of want to get the pulse of the market as it's happening from the retail investor as we are. So I like to go to areas like Reddit. You've got Bitcoin, or you got r/Bitcoin, you got r/Ethereum, you got all kinds of Reddit, you got all kinds of Reddit rooms available to you to talk about the different projects that you like, that you can get into. So definitely check out Reddit because it kind of puts the It kind of gives you the feeling, the pulse of the community and how they're feeling about it, whether they're bullish, whether they're bearish, how things are going. So I like to look at Reddit. I don't listen to a lot of people on Reddit. Always do your own research, but it can give you ideas of what things are happening and what might be going on, and then you can take that information and go do your own research. Okay, I also like to use Discord. I've gotten into multiple Discord communities. I'm actually creating our own Discord community, so we'll be able to talk crypto directly. But Discord is a fantastic way to communicate with like-minded people and to see various different charts and different things that people are looking at, so that you can catch trends that maybe you didn't see but somebody else did. So I like to use that a lot. I also like to use Twitter for all kinds of things. You can kind of get the idea of what's going on in the industry based on people's responses to popular posts. If somebody posts something bullish and the comments are all bearish, you can kind of look through there and get some ideas of what the trends are and what's going on in the Bitcoin, in the crypto world, just going through Twitter. Okay, next up, I think this one is a little bit more advanced, and if you're not there yet, that's fine, but definitely you want to look at TradingView at some point. TradingView is going to allow you to look at the charts as they are. It's going to allow you to draw on the charts. You can pull up pretty much any coin that's available, at least if it's on here. You can pull them up, and then you can start doing your own research and draw your own charts, look at what's going on. Here you see I've got all the things that I have personally invested in, and so I watch the charts on all of these items to see whether they're going up, whether they're going down, what the trends are. And I think that once you get into some basic technical analysis, then TradingView is probably the best source that you have to kind of look at it for yourself and see what's going on in the markets. Okay, next up, I've got the Fear and Greed Index. I love the Fear and Greed Index. It does actually work pretty contrary to what you might think. Or at least in my mind, when I first started in crypto, if we were in extreme fear, that made me extremely fearful. You really need to change that mindset and look at the Fear and Greed Index as when we are in extreme fear or fear, that is the time to buy. That's when most people are going to be selling off their positions. They're going to be dumping their crypto. Prices are coming down. And to me, prices going down shouldn't scare you. That should mean that all the prices are on sale. So if you can get a 20% discount, if Bitcoin drops 20%, that's like going to the store and getting a 20% discount on the item that you're trying to purchase. I love that because I know that long-term Bitcoin is going to go back up. So I like to buy when we're in extreme fear, and then you sell when you're in extreme greed. So this goes from extreme fear to neutral to greed to extreme greed. And I like to buy or sell based on those positions. If we're in extreme fear, I'm buying. If we're in extreme greed, I'm probably taking profits. I'm not selling my positions. I just like you'll want to take profits as you go. We'll get into that and more into later videos where we talk about things like keeping money on the side so that you can buy the dips. Part of keeping money on the side is making sure you're taking your profits when you have them. So we'll get into that in more detail later. But Fear and Greed is a great index to check out. It updates once a day. It tells you right here when it updates. And definitely check that out because that will help you with knowing kind of the pulse again of the industry of the retail market, what's going on, who's bullish, who's bearish, that kind of thing. So be sure to check out the Fear and Greed Index every day. Next up, we're going to get into basically the exchanges where you're going to buy crypto. One of my favorites currently is Crypto.com. I love Crypto.com. It is a mobile app, so you get on it, you use your phone or your tablet, whatever. You're going to sign in, and that's where you're going to buy, sell, and trade your crypto. Each exchange is going to have different coins available to it. There aren't any exchanges that have all of them, so you're going to be using multiple exchanges to buy different coins based on what you want. So I like to use Crypto.com. I also use Voyager. I started with Voyager in the beginning because Voyager is incredibly user-friendly. I have to say the fees are a little bit high, so I'm not necessarily going to recommend it, but I would say from a user-friendly standpoint, I love Voyager because it just makes everything incredibly simple. So for a beginning investor, Voyager is definitely something to consider. You're not going to have so much money in there that the fees are going to be too painful, but definitely keep in mind that long term you may want to switch out of Voyager into something else. You have Coinbase is probably the most popular, or one of the most popular, outside of Binance, which isn't necessarily available in the United States. There is a Binance US, but Coinbase is the one I like to use. Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. I say that I like to use all of them, but I have used Coinbase a lot for reoccurring buys and daily cost averaging, where I'm just putting money in continuously, and Coinbase will track that, and you also get various rewards for using them. There's a number of other ones, BlockFi, some other exchanges that I definitely would recommend you look into what would be right for you. And again, if what you're looking for is a specific coin or token and it's not available on one exchange, you got to find the exchanges that are on. They are on. So if you go back to CoinMarketCap, for example, where we started in the beginning, if you go and you click on a project like Solana, it should tell you in here where to buy. So you can buy Solana on Binance, FTX, Coinbase. You can actually buy Solana on some other exchanges as well. I know you can buy it on Voyager. I know you can buy it on crypto.com. So you'll want to research the project that you have, take a look and see what exchanges are selling it, and then utilize those exchanges for that purpose. So, all right, that's what I've got for you today. And I hope you like that. I hope that is helpful to you. Those are some of the sites that I would definitely encourage you to get on as soon as possible. Start exploring, kind of get some knowledge, some ideas of what you're looking for, what you want to do, what you want to invest in. If you aren't currently invested, what projects do you like? What projects do you not like? And be sure to comment down below and let me know. If you have any questions on specific projects, then don't hesitate to ask me. I'll give you my personal opinion. Not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, so do your own research. But if you want my opinion on the various projects, I'm happy to share that with you. So just let me know down in the comments below. I appreciate each and every one of you watching. If you like this content, please do me a favor. Hit that like button, subscribe, turn on notifications. All those things help us in the YouTube algorithm and will greatly help this channel grow. So I do appreciate each and every one of you, and we will see you in the next one.